Hello and welcome back to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, the space where we decode real career paths and bring clarity to your dreams. And today's episode is going to light up the imagination of every creative soul out there. If you're someone who has ever looked at a Disney movie, a Pixar animation, or a cool gaming trailer and thought, wow, I want to create something like this one day, then this episode is for you. We're diving deep into the career of an animator, one of the most exciting and fast growing fields in the creative industry. And did you know the global animation industry is valued at over $400 billion and growing rapidly? India's animation market alone crossed 25,000 crores and is expected to rise even higher with the boom of OTT platforms, gaming, and digital advertising. So, if you've got creativity in your veins and a love for storytelling, this could be your dream career. Let's begin. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, career coach, life mentor, and founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 high school students break free from confusion, fear, and self doubt and step into global classrooms, powerful careers, and a life they love. This isn't just about studying abroad, it's about building clarity, confidence, and character. And I do it with coaching, mindset work, and the game changing power of graphotherapy because students deserve more than just guidance, they deserve transformation. So let's dive in. Now, animation is no longer just about cartoons. It's everywhere from films, web series, advertisements, gaming, AR, VR experiences, e learning content, YouTube channels, to even corporate presentations. In India, animation has exploded in the past few years. Major studios like Maya Entertainment, Toons Animation, Green Gold, and Prana Studios work on international level projects. OTT platforms such as Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, and Amazon Prime are investing heavily in animated content. Even tech companies like Byju's and Unacademy are hiring animators for explainer videos. Internationally, the scope is even bigger. Countries like the United States, Canada, Japan, France, South Korea, and the UK are animation powerhouses. Studios like Pixar, DreamWorks, Walt Disney, Studio Ghibli, and Sony Animation are always looking for fresh talent. India is also becoming a major outsourcing hub, meaning many animators work remotely for foreign projects, earning international salaries without leaving home. So, whether you choose to work in India or abroad, this career has huge potential if you build the right skills. So, what exactly does an animator do? Now, an animator brings static images, illustration, or characters to life through movement. Their job is to make the audience feel something, whether it's laughter, excitement, curiosity, or wonder. On a daily basis, an animator might create storyboards and rough sketches, design characters, backgrounds, and environments, use specialized softwares like Blender, Maya, 3ds, Max, After Effects, Toon Boom, or Adobe Animate, or work with voice actors, sound designers, and editors to synchronize animation and audio, or collaborate with writers, directors, and creative teams to bring stories to life. So, animators can work in film studios, gaming companies, advertising agencies, production houses, or as freelancers. And with AI and new tools coming in, they can also work on interactive content, AR VR experiences, and the metaverse. And if you love combining art and technology, this is one of the most fulfilling creative careers you can pursue. So, to become a successful animator, you need both artistic creativity and technical skills. Now, the core skills can be strong drawing and sketching ability, or understanding of motion, perspective, and storytelling, or proficiency in animation software, Maya, Blender, Toon Boom, etc., or patience and attention to detail and good communication and teamwork skills are the personality traits an animator must have. Now, talking about the educational qualifications, you can pursue animation after class 12 from any stream. Let's say to begin with undergrad courses in India, so it can be BSc in Animation Multimedia, Bachelor of Fine Arts, or BA in Animation and Digital Arts, or a diploma in 2D, 3D animation. And if we talk about the top Indian colleges for animation, NID, that is National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, then IDC, IIT Mumbai, Arena Animation, Maya Academy of Advanced Cinematics, popularly known as MAC, Whistling Woods International, Mumbai, Z Institute of Creative Arts, also known as Zika. And then, if we talk about top international colleges for animation, California Institute of Arts, based in US, Savannah College of Art and Design, once again US, then Sheridan College, Canada, Vancouver Film School, Canada, then Gobelin School of Animation based in France, and Royal College of Art, UK. Many animators also choose short term online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare to build practical skills. Now, the animation industry pays well, and if you master your craft, the growth is exponential. In India, a fresher can earn around 3 to 5 lakhs per year. And with 3 to 5 years of experience, salaries can rise to 8 to 15 lakhs per year. Senior animators, leads, and art directors can make over 20 lakhs annually. In the US, animators earn between $50,000 to $100,000 annually, depending on experience. And if we talk about Canada, the average salary is around 60 to 80,000 Canadian dollars per year. And in UK and Europe, salaries can range from 35,000 to 70,000 euros annually. And freelancers who work internationally often charge $25 to $100 per hour or more, depending on their skill level and specialization. And with the right portfolio, your earning potential is truly global. So, animation is not just a career, it's a canvas where technology meets imagination. In a world where visual content rules, skilled animators are in high demand. Now, whether it's in entertainment, gaming, education, or marketing, animation has a solid future both in India and abroad. And if you're passionate about storytelling, creativity, and digital art, this is your sign to explore this career path. So don't wait for someday. Start sketching, start learning software, build your portfolio step by step. Your work could inspire millions, just like those magical movies and games inspired you. So, if this episode sparked your interest in becoming an animator, take the first small step today. Explore animation courses, follow top creators, and start building your creative skill set. And if you know someone who's an artist who loves design, share this episode with them. They might just discover their dream career. And make sure to follow the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show on Spotify, Apple Podcast, or on your favorite platform. Leave a review and tell me what career you would like me to decode next. And let's build your dream future together.